ever wonder where you're gonna grow older alongside with your kids? Let me tell you, Oak Tree is the place calm and the perfect place for you and your family. Let me show it to you guys. Okay, welcome guys, this is Fabio.alvarez, your favorite real estate agent from South Broward. And today we're gonna look at this two-story home, just under 2,500 square feet, the Sienna Model. Let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, hello guys, so welcome to Sienna. Okay, these 2.5 bedrooms, 2 garages, 20 square feet. Families of all sizes find a happy home in the Sienna. A spacious gathering room welcomes you from the 2-story foyer and draws you into the sunny cafe area. An open kitchen with island. Upstairs, every square foot is maximized for livability. Loft space provides a kids play area, while the owner's suite offers both privacy and proximity. I hope you guys like this story, guys. Enjoy. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys liked the tour. I hope you guys like this house. If you have any questions about this community or any other communities here in South Broward, don't hesitate to reach out. Just hit that subscribe button, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.